All right, so we started working on this door last week. Cut out this rusted out chunk right here. As you can see, a lot of daylight through that thing. Pretty nasty on both sides, really. So we got it cut out. When I cut it out, we went ahead and cut right on the seam, just like you're doing a door skin. We can just hammer in a new piece around it. So we'll piece that back together, cut it out of 20 gauge. Already traced it out. Got the rough shape. Again, added extra around the bottom for the flanges. Ran it through the English wheel. Still finishing that up, touching it up a bit, but it's getting close. Ran it through the English wheel some more. As you can see, we got that curve pretty close. Still room for the flange again. So we'll probably tack this in, get it real tight and smooth, and then we'll go ahead and hammer this edge around. Let me switch that view for you to get a look at that. See how it overlaps just enough to hammer it back into place. I did treat all this with rust preventer and rust stop. I'll still have to grind off some spots for the welds. There was a spot weld right here holding it, and then a spot weld down here. Put some weld thin primer on it, clean it up. But all this was coated with rust stopper. So get this panel primed up with weld through, get this prepped, and we'll tack it in. We got it all fitted in pretty nice. Weld through primer added to it all. Got this curve matched this way, curve matching this way. So it's a smooth weld rather than a point. We've got that overlap around this edge so we can hammer it around just like the door skin was. And we're getting rid of all that extra rust. Looks like it's all ready to tack. We'll get started. Let's weld it. Acted like a partial door skin, wrapped it around on this bottom and this other side by the hinges. Welded that curve in. It's got a little body work still to do and some Bondo, but it's not rusted out. It's pretty solid.